Hey there, it's that time again.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Time for rolling 10-pan project pan. We have a new roll-in because one of my items dried out. We have some items that have no progress, and we have some items that have some progress, and we have one item that went up in weight. Don't sure how that happened, but it did. So the roll-in is this e.l.f. eye primer. Rolling in because my Urban Decay Primer Potion dried out. This has no measurement yet, so I've just decided to roll it in, starting basically May. So next month there'll be weight measurements for this guy. Now, we did make some weight progress in our Beaute CC Cream Perfecting Foundation, and still going strong. Still got lots in there, but it has gone down in weight. This is what has gained weight. So I don't know if air got trapped in this container and that's why it gained weight, but yeah, it's actually went up about 2.5 grams. Not sure how that happened. Maybe my scale was wrong the last time. I don't know. We have some really good progress on this one, and it's getting smaller, and it's already getting time to sharpen it because I can feel the wood. So this has gone down a little bit, about 0.3 grams, but I've only used it 9 times this month. This has not moved at all. Since February, it's basically stayed in the same spot. But I don't use a lot of eyeliner, so I'm not surprised. This will take me 10 years to finish at my rate. Oh my goodness. And my perfume, I'm still using the Versace Bright Crystal. And we're at about, I think, 11 uses today, so I'm thinking maybe just a couple more uses and this will be done. I finished, obviously, where are you? Orange Blossom by 7 Virtues. It was nice. It's a little too citrusy fresh for me. I like fresh, but I like it to have a little bit of, a little bit of grounding, a little bit of patchouli or amber or musk, something to ground it a little bit. This is too fresh, a little too up there, airy. I like it to come down a little bit. And the Versace Bright Crystal is pretty, but again, it's a little too soft, a little too airy, a little too sweet. It's not sweet, but it's sweet, if you know what I mean. It doesn't have that little bit of sexy vibe to it, and I'd like my perfumes to have that little bit of that edge, that sexy kind of edge, that dark mysteriousness. So yeah, so that is our very quick update for April. Hopefully we'll have more progress in some of these items next month. Probably not the eyeliner though, to be honest. That might stay the same for another 2 months, who knows. But we just keep on trucking, don't we? So anyways, I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe bar and notification bell if you haven't already. And I'll see you next month for hopefully a more exciting update. Bye for now.